Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect to the Wi-Fi on a Google TV. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you need to go ahead and connect to the Wi-Fi on your Google TV. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So once you're logged onto your Google account, you want to go ahead and click on Quick Settings, which is located right over here. Then on the right-hand side, you want to navigate to where it says Wi-Fi. So right now, you should see a toggle button that is on currently for Wi-Fi. So make sure that this is toggled on so that you can connect to the Wi-Fi with your Google TV. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead about doing this. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually connect your Wi-Fi to your Google TV, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.